going on, people? I am a fan of computers and computer programming. I love ones and zeros, mostly because, well, they're a whole bunch of zeros and ones, or O's and ones, and my name is Owen, so there's the connection. And in Cantonese, Owen means a cloud above Macau, just so you know. I'm going to show you how to access those ones and zeros programmatically. Something that most people are not going to know about, and don't know if you can do it on a cell phone, but you might have to use a laptop. So I'm going to do all of this stuff in a folder called ComputerStuff. There's ComputerStuff right there. And I have a text file, and it says, well, what's today's date? Today is the 16th, I believe. Okay, today is the 16th, and I have some random text right here. Password 1, password 2, ASDF ZXZV. Okay, there's that file. It's just a text file. Oops, sorry. Wanted to try to... Man, I don't want it to be that big. Hold on a second. Okay.
Honey, are you okay?
I'm making a video
For what?
showing people how to do computer stuff.
But are you okay?
Yep.
No, you are not. You was like, you were doing like that over there.
Well, I am having a hard time.
Huh?
I am having a hard time.
What, breathing?
Everything.
Do you want to go to the doctor?
Negative.
Huh?
No.
Come on, talk to me.
No, I
mean,
don't want to go to the doctor. I don't believe in the doctor.
You are having a hard time of what?
Heart, breathe, and everything.
Then how come you don't even start smoking, honey?
Okay, babe. I want to make this video. Show people how to use computer stuff.
Honey, I'm just so worried of it. I don't think you need to go on Monday. I think you just have to stay one more week.
Maybe if I need to, I will.
What if you are driving over there and you have a heart attack? What will happen to you?
And there's always that chance.
Huh?
There's always that chance, honey. That's why I want to try to find a driver for the truck. That way you guys can still make money.
Honey.
Alright, so it's going to be okay, honey.
No, it's not, honey. You don't tell us something. You don't, I mean, you know.
It's going to be alright.
No, it's not. For you it is, you know, but for us, you want to come outside? Come on. Come on.
So you want to be able to access this file, and specifically access the ones and zeros that make up this file. This file is called CStuff. cstuff.txt. There it is right there.
What?
And I want to be able to access it programmatically. Let me access it with this program that I wrote, stuff1.bas. So, open.
Go say the doggy. Come on. Hey, Jimbo, come on. Come on.
Open. Computer stuff. Where is that? Computer stuff. stuff1.bas. BAS stands for basic. And this language right here is called free basic. This language is compiled with a compiler called free basic. And you can download free basic from freebasic.net. And I like this language because it looks as close to English as you can for a computer programming language, similar to how Python is human readable code language, you know. Basic is nice that way. So let me see if I can open up this text file, cstuff.txt. Oh, there's ComputerStuff. Oh, what was that file? Let's see what that file is. File, open. Okay, save. CStuff, ComputerStuff. Okay. What did I say? Today's the 16th. And let's delete CStuff. Okay. Delete that. Delete. Alright, I changed the date to today's date. The name of this file is called ComputerStuff.txt. Let me save it. Okay. So I'm going to access the ones and zeros in this file called ComputerStuff.txt. And I'm going to do that with this command right here. It says open, and here's the name of the file that I'm opening, ComputerStuff.txt, and I'm opening it in a mode called for binary. Binary is ones and zeros. And just so you know, up here I have dimensioned some variables. Dimension B as unsigned byte, 8 bits to a byte. That's the way it works. So when I open binary, this ComputerStuff.txt for binary, I open it up as file number 1. And then I also open up cstuff.txt for binary as file number 2. So I'm doing this loop from the do to the loop. I'm doing this stuff between the do and the loop. What am I doing? And I'm doing it while it is not at the end of file number 1. Do while not end of file number 1. What am I doing? I'm getting information. And what information am I getting? Variable B from file number 1, which is ComputerStuff.txt. So I'm getting 1 byte, 8 bits of information at a time, and I'm storing it in variable B, and then I'm putting that value of the variable B, which is the 8 bits, in file number 2. So I get it, and then I put it 1 byte at a time. How many bytes are we talking about? Well, let's look at the properties of ComputerStuff.txt. Properties, details. It says it has 83 bytes. 83 bytes. If we were to count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and however many in this one, and however many in this line, and however many in that line, including the carriage return line feed at the end of each one of these lines, comes out to be a total of 83 bytes. So it's going to get 83 times, 1 byte at a time, get it from file number 1, ComputerStuff.txt, and put it in file number 2. And I do some stuff right here where I say that if it's at the, well, instead of showing you the details of the computer programming language called free basic, let me just run this program real quick and let's see what it does. So I'm running it, and you can see, well, let me close the detail. I ran it, and you can see that it created cstuff.txt. Now the computer program is done running. When it ran, I told it in these instructions, while it's reading it, these instructions right here produced what you're seeing right here. I told it to print, get the 1 byte, and then print the ASCII code value of that and the character code of that. So it prints C, and the ASCII code is 67 for C, and then O, and as you can see, capital C, and then O, M. So here's your C, C, O, and M. Computer stuff. So this is a visual representation of the actual ones of the 8 bits of information per byte of those 83 bytes. I could convert those into ones and zeros. Let's see. Instead of printing, changing the colors and stuff, let's just comment this stuff out here. Comment, and instead, let me close this program. Print binary of B, and then I'll just put a semicolon, save and run. Okay, there you go. Each one of those 83 bytes has 8 ones and zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the very first byte, and it should be a C. So whatever the ASCII code character of C was it like 68 or some 67? 67 in binary should be 100. Let's see, let's copy that. Let's go to Google real quick. Paste it in there. Press enter. Convert this binary value to decimal. I don't know why I did that. It jumped around, sorry. I clicked something too soon. I want to click this right here and it'll let me. Well, I don't know what this is. I haven't seen this website before, so I don't know. Ahead. Yeah, I don't know what that website's doing. I was hoping that it would show you, just by putting those ones and zeros on Google, I was hoping that it would show you right away 67. Anyway, as you can see, a file has nothing more than just a whole bunch of O's and ones. Okay. And of course there's a reason why I'm showing that to you, that you can access every single of one of these ones and zeros programmatically, because you might want to do something. You might want to do something with those ones and zeros. And of course it has something to do with random numbers and crypto. Alright. until next video.